Hi, it's your local Grinch. Welcome back to the Art of the Craft. I know it's the holiday season, so we're going to be doing something a little bit different, an entire boneless rib roast. Simpler than you actually think. A lot of the time spent is actually hands-off. Stick with me, I'm going to walk you through the entire process. So let me give you a little anatomy of the roast, just so we know what we're talking about. If you look on the ends here, you're going to see this is the eye of the rib. And then on the top here is a spinalis muscle. On the top here, this is the fat cap. And then underneath is where the ribs would have gone. You can see this section down here. Dry brining is simply just taking coarse salt like this all over the meat. And you're gonna see me do that. I'm gonna be very generous with it because a lot of it is gonna actually fall off. The best way I have found to do these roasts is a method called the reverse sear. So my oven's at 175 degrees. Some ovens will be 200 or 250 degrees. The actual oven temperature is less important than the temperature of your meat. So for me, I'm looking between medium rare and a medium. That's between 125 and 130. We've been roasting it for about 4.5 hours at 175 degrees Fahrenheit. The internal temperature is 125 degrees, and that's the important thing. 550 degree oven. Right before we stick it in, I've got some minced herbs from the garden. We'll use the rest of it on the top. Ready to take a look? Crispy exterior, perfectly medium rare interior. I don't know that it gets much better than this. Now you can see it's a lot easier than you thought it would be. A lot of the time is spent idle. I hope you enjoy it. From my family to yours, happy holidays.